Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Angela. On this channel, I share my life during mini retirement after burnout, tips and tricks on how you can do the same while utilizing a minimalistic lifestyle. If these are things you are interested in, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks in advance. Now let's get into the vlog. Okay, this is the suite. Got the bathroom on the side, the shower, rain shower. It's quite big and we have a lot of amenities here. So, and wow, the tiles are shiny. Hopefully it's clean as it's shiny. Hey! Hey, we are in Punta Cana. Punta Cana. Yay. And then over here we have drawers. We got a safe. A lot of drawers to unpack. I am going to be unpacking. Got drawers. We got beach towels, beach bag that are just open. And we got ropes and slippers. We got mirrors. And this is the living area or sitting area. And then we have another mirror up there, and that will be me. Hi. Over here. Oh, that's a lizard. Joe, that's a lizard. Oh my God. And so there is a cover here, and there is a lizard. There is a lizard. Oh my God, there's a lizard. Joe, there's a lizard in the house. Alright, so there's a lizard. I know this is a tropical area. The lizard can come in, people can keep the doors open. But and then there is a fridge, the mini bar. Nothing to have here but sodas and water. We love the water, so that's great. But there is a lizard. Oh my gosh, Joe, there's a lizard. Oh my goodness. Hopefully it don't come on the bed tonight when we sleep. And then we have a patio out here. Oh my God, overlooking a pool. If I can figure out how to open this door, it will really help. Okay, so that's very nice. So you come here and then And look at what you can see from just sitting down in the comfort of your living area. It's just nice. Okay, they have hanging lines that you can hang your bathing suit. Yeah, bathing suit. You have two chairs. You can sit and view this beautiful scene. So now we are met with a fruit basket. And this cupboard, these drawers, hopefully they don't have lasers in there. They got some drawers. You can unpack your clothes. We're definitely going to be unpacking because we're going to be here for a little bit. So we have a fruit basket here. They have pears, they have mango, they have strawberries, they have kiwi, apple, pineapple, and all that good stuff. Have that, and then they have some drink that nobody's going to be drinking. What is this? I have no idea what this is. Dominican, I guess this is some alcoholic beverage. So that's there too. And gonna go upstairs. And you're going upstairs. Look at what you're looking at down here. Isn't that nice? I just love this place. It's beautiful. Okay, so you go down upstairs and let's see what we will find up here. Oh. Okay. Come upstairs and then we can open here. Oh, it's hot up here. We need to put it. Oh gosh. Come upstairs and there is another. The first thing is you see another cool view up here. Same thing. You have a little small space out here that you can stand because there's no chair. And then look at the view. The pool view. Yep. You got a pool view. Yep. You got a pool view from up here. Okay. And then after that, you come on this side, and what do you have? Very beautiful. This nice decor chair. Very, very soft. And you have your jacuzzi. Yep. You have some amenities here. Got some towels. It's really beautiful. I think it's very, very beautiful. Yep. And when you climb up here, you can just overlook the bed area only. A touch like finish up here. Yep. You can be up here in your jacuzzi and you can still be seeing that. Unpack stuff and yeah. Okay, so we are all packed, getting ready to go for a dinner at this platinum restaurant.
There you have drawers.